morning, guys. December 6, 2025. I got a call from a guy I've worked for in the past. He rents out this house, and I guess it's got a well over there, and they got no water. So we're gonna go over there and see what's going on, and hopefully it's something simple. Don't have to pull a well. No water. That gauge is gonna be changed too, because it's really barely getting nothing coming out of here. So this pressure switch is bad. Well, it's not pulling in. So I got 220. I'll show you. See this or not? See this or not, but I got 220 coming in on the outer. I got 240. Right? And then that one's on the inside. Got nothing. I pull this in. It runs. See it here? So we got a bad switch there. So I do have I can shut the power off up top there and change this. It's either this riser's got a block in it. Yeah, power's off. So I should be able to, it might be this riser that's blocked. Let's take this apart. I got a new switch for it. While I'm here, I don't want to play around with the two outer ones. Whoa. This fucking guy better not let this dog down here. Shouldn't be any power. That thing should be off. Not much in there anyway, but it's probably just that switch is bad. I'm going to put a new gauge in the form too. That gauge is probably not working. Yeah, see, it's just draining back the house. I'm going to put a new gauge in it too. I did talk to this landlord. He said that he was going to call these people. I don't know, I was coming at 10. Put a new gauge here. That gauge isn't working. That gauge is not working. Could be that this is just blocked. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put a new one in there. I'll take a chance that it's not that, right? Put it back together and it's... Oh yeah, look at the dirt in there. See all that flipping dirt? That's probably what it is. Might be able to put it back together and it might work. Look at that. Want to put a new switch in it anyway, just to be sure. He's a leaker. See all the rust? Oh, it's just a little. We'll put a new one. I'm gonna get some Teflon out of the truck. A gauge. Got a new switch here. I have a 1/4" plug here for plug the other one off and put a gauge. I hate to leave 2 gauges there. I have a 1/4" plug here somewhere. Should amongst all my shit here. It's 1/4", not 1/8, right? Yeah, I think it's 1/4". I do have 1/8 stuff in there, but I think pretty sure it's 1/4" gauge. I do have some 1/8 plugs in there if I have to. I don't think it's 1/8. I think it's 1/4. Over here I got gauges. I believe I do. 1/4" pressure gauge. So I got 0 to 100. And I got a plug. 0 to 100 on a gauge. I got a different gauge and a 1/4" plug. We're gonna take out this too. Little plug here. 1 gauge. I don't need 2. Baki. Sound like a big flipping dog. Hopefully you don't let him out. I don't know. This is water, you gotta use brass. Gauge on here too. 0 to 100. Flipping dog. This is a 30-50 gauge. That's what I'm going back with. Same thing. It sounds like a big dog, man. I did shut the ball valve off here so I could work on it. So we can see it. Got the new switch. It says right on the inside. Let me look here. It'll say 30-50. See it? 3050. That's what we want. It's the same one I got here. It should be a 3050. Well, the new one. See it? Ain't rocket science. They're gonna get lucky if it's just a switch. I don't know if I can get this off of these fucking adapters or not, but I'll go in the middle. Oh man. And this one goes here. We don't let that fucking dog down here. I'll be in trouble. These are all back together, and it should work. Should be able to turn the power on, and she should kick right in. Plug on the side here. Alright, we should be able to turn the power on. We should have It's pumping up. He's pumping up, but man, she's pumping up slow, man. I'll tell you. I'll have to tell this guy he's probably gonna need a new well pump pretty soon. This don't look too bad. When it gets to 50, it should shut off at 50. You can press it on. just shut off at 50. Alright, well that's good. Alright, so new 3050 pressure switch. 0 to 100 pressure gauge and a 1/4 inch brass plug. So I put a plug there, I took the other gauge out that wasn't working, I put a new pressure switch, cleaned out that riser. I don't think it was the riser that was the problem. And then a new gauge over here. She's working now. There's a crusty one, Mama. Look at all this shit. A little nasty, a little gnarly. This cover's back where it needs to be. Yeehaw.